Hello, hi, 你好. My name is Carrie. I'm a Chinese teacher. I'm coming on behalf of Tea Center. Here is our topic for today. Today we are going to talk about seasons. Seasons in Chinese is 四季. 四季. If you know our number 4, then we use this 4 to identify the 4 seasons. So 四季 means seasons. Now come with me to my presentation and we're going to learn about all these seasons. All right, here you can see we also have Chinese word 四 right here for 四季. Now we're going to introduce the first season. You can see it's springtime. Spring in Chinese is 春天. 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 Okay, 春天 is spring. We tend to say spring days. 春天. All right, next one is summer. Summer is 夏天. 夏天. Summer days, right? For Chinese. 夏 means summer. 天 means days. Okay, next one is autumn or fall. We say 秋天. 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 Next is the winter time. Winter in Chinese is 冬天. 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 Now, I'm sure you all know the 春天, springtime, will include which 3 months? March, April, and May. Yes, these 3 months belongs to 春天, spring. Now, 夏天, which is 3 months, you already see here, is June, July, and August. These 3 months are considered 夏天, summertime. Then you can figure the next 3 months will belongs to 秋天, autumn, that is September, October, and November. These 3 months are considered 秋天. Then 冬天 includes December, January, and February. These 3 months are considered 冬天, 冬天, winter. All right, now I'm going to introduce a Chinese song that's about season. And you're gonna hear the lyrics including 花儿开, that means flower blooming. 太阳晒, that means sun tanning. 刮大风 means blow big wind. 下大雪 in the winter time. 冬天下大雪 means heavy snow. So if you know these extra lyrics there, you will understand the whole meaning of the song. Now I'm going to take you to the song. Hold on 1 second. Okay, here's my song. Now again, you're gonna see Miss Carrie is playing this song for you. All right, I'll make it bigger. Okay, here you are. You can follow, it's kind of easy lyrics to sing.
春天春天花儿开，夏天夏天太阳晒，春天花儿开，夏天太阳晒，春天花儿开，夏天太阳晒。
Okay, you hear about summer?
秋天秋天刮大风，冬天冬天下大雪，秋天刮大风，冬天下大雪，秋天刮大风，冬天下大雪。
And autumn, winter, autumn and winter.
春天夏天秋天冬天，春天花儿开，夏天太阳晒，秋天刮
Okay, so you hear the 太阳晒，花儿开。
春天花儿开，夏天太阳晒，春天花儿开，夏天太阳晒，春天花儿开，夏天太阳晒。
So 花儿开 ，flower blooming。
秋天刮大风，冬天下大雪，秋天刮大风，冬天下大雪，秋天刮大风，冬天下大雪。
So 下大雪 ，heavy snow。
春天、夏天、秋天、冬天，春天花儿开，夏天太阳晒，秋天刮大风，冬天下大雪。
All right, I hope you have enjoyed this singing. Now we are going to do some review for our seasons that we just learned, okay? So we are coming to a review. Let me now help you to get back to my screen. Okay, now just for a quick review, spring is 春天, right? Summer, 夏天, autumn, 秋天, and winter, 冬天. Now it's your turn to tell me the season. First, wow, you see that the cherry blossom, right? So this should be in springtime. So what is spring in Chinese? 春天. Very good. If you say 春天, you got it right. Very good. Now next one. Oh, you see that it's summertime. How do you say summer in Chinese again? Yes, if you say 夏天, 夏天, and you got it right. Now next, is fall or autumn season. So how do you say that in Chinese? 秋天. Very good. 秋天 is correct. Next is our winter time. They are making snowmen. So how do you say winter in Chinese? 冬天. Very good. 冬天. I'm glad that you learned all the seasons and you did a very good job. Now, thank you for joining us today. Please like us and share our video. We love to hear from you. Now it's time to say goodbye. I'm sure you remember how to say goodbye in Chinese, right? So let's say goodbye. 再见，再见。